Looking for a way to put a fresh spin on your content? Serialized fiction might be for you. Serialized fiction gives you a new way to share content, connect with your readers, and reach a wider audience. Does that sound appealing? Well, get ready, because we're about to serial kill it this week on Lulu University. Serialized fiction is a series of discrete parts that are combined to make something bigger. So think about songs on an album or episodes that are in a season of a television show. Serial fiction is a story that's told in parts and usually published over time. Introducing serialized fiction as an author can help you diversify your products and grow your audience. It may sound like a lot of work, but there are several benefits to writing serial fiction. And hey, I'm not here to lie to you. Making money from selling books can be a challenge. But there are two essential elements to making a living from your writing. The first is having an audience large enough to buy anything and everything that you write. The second is consistently producing content for that audience to consume. I know that sounds like a lot, but hey, it's only two things. Here's where serial fiction can help. Chopping up your longer work into segments might lead to new ways to earn income. So maybe you'll use those segments to sell as discounted eBooks, or you can use them to tease your upcoming book launch and get pre-sales. Either way, these are both great ways to get your readers hooked and excited to buy your books. Serialized fiction offers content over time and can help you gauge traffic to your website as well as reader interest. So let's say that you usually publish historical fiction, but you've been dying to try some mermaid, shapeshifter, paranormal romance. And why not? So maybe you put out a little bit of that, you can see how your readers respond, and if they're not ready yet to take on that oceanic epic, then you know that that's more of a passion project and maybe not a money maker just yet. Which brings me to my next point. Can you make money from serialized fiction? I've got a few suggestions on how you can serialize and monetize your content, but these are just suggestions. As always, it is up to you to know your audience and what will excite and entice them. If you're already using an e-commerce tool like Shopify or WooCommerce to sell your work, then you can easily take your full-length novel and chop it up into a series of novellas and sell them as ebooks on your site. The thing to remember here is to make sure that each one can be a standalone and satisfying story on its own. Once you've segmented up your book, then you'll have a wide range of new content to share. With your story broken up into segments, you might try emailing your followers and giving them the first segment for free. Everybody likes getting the first taste free. After that, you can follow up with an email and offer the rest of the segments for 99 cents to $2, and then a little bit later offer the full book for the regular price of $10 to $15 or more. Readers love options. A new reader might not be ready to spend $15 on your novel, but a $2 novella is a pretty easy investment to make. Product marketing like this is often called microtransactions, which is offering a wide variety of low-priced items to entice sales. So the gaming industry has already capitalized on this. We've all probably heard of that kid who spent his parents' savings buying stuff in Roblox or Roboblox or, I don't know, I'm not 12 years old. The point is, you can take advantage of that too. If you're already dabbling in serialized fiction using a platform like Wattpad, creating a print edition of your work can be a great way to add a revenue stream for your publishing business. It'll also give your fans an opportunity to take your work offline and enjoy it whenever and wherever. If you're not sure where to start, why not Lulu.com? We've got all the popular formats and trim sizes to help you bring that webpage to life and create a unique and exclusive experience for your readers. Pro tip: whether you're selling your story as ebooks or the whole thing as a print book, you can do both through your own website. Selling your print books through Lulu Direct's integrations with Shopify and WooCommerce or WordPress allow you to earn more revenue per sale, collect reader data, and use white label shipping. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Another way to monetize your serial fiction content is with a subscription model. Sign up and get new fiction in your inbox every week. That sounds pretty compelling, right? And it's also a great way to build connections with your readers. Plus, the subscription model can offer consistent income rather than guesstimating how much content you will sell each month. When you build subscribers around your serial fiction, you're getting a strong indication of your readers' interest. And since subscription models can earn substantial revenue over the course of the year, you'll have more opportunities to offer freebies or subscriber exclusives like free books or swag. I mean, everybody likes things that are exclusive. It makes you feel important. People are more enticed and more compelled to join it and be a part of it. Like, watch this. Be one of the people to subscribe to this YouTube channel and get free, exclusive, awesome videos just for you. Up next are email newsletters. Email newsletters are an amazing way for you to monetize your serial fiction. So not only can you slide into that inbox, but you can also completely control the content. And with platforms like Substack, you can even add a subscription model to your newsletter. Synergy! Newsletters offer the best and simplest way for you to serialize your work and build strong connections with your audience. So if you're not already emailing your followers on a regular basis, why not? What a waste! Whether you lean on newsletters as the primary means of serializing your work or just a part of a larger strategy, getting into your audience's inbox is a crucial way to keep them engaged and interested in you and your content. We're in it. We're excited. We're ready to start serial killing it. But how do you write serialized fiction? It takes a little bit of a different approach than writing a full-length novel, so think about that example we gave about a television season. So you need to think small while keeping the bigger picture in mind. So our resident blogger and content manager, Paul, recommends using Plotter to help with this. For your serial fiction, think about writing smaller, more personal stories that focus on characters. You can also use these characters in secondary stories and create different spin-offs based on them. And if your readers love and connect with your characters, they'll be more eager to read the rest of your work. Here are the keys to writing serialized fiction. Number 1, focus on micro stories with a single conflict. We don't have a lot of time here. Number 2, develop your protagonist. Your readers must empathize and sympathize with your character. Number 3, serial fiction only works if you stick to a schedule. So if your publishing schedule gets all erratic and crazy, you risk losing readers. So don't let your serial get soggy. Keep it fresh and put out new content regularly. Most important of all, top secret pro tip, and you heard it here first. You must write consistently. So I know that probably any writing advice you've looked at has said to write daily, write consistently, so there must be something to it. But if you don't show up to write, who's going to write for you? Don't let an AI story generator take your job. Get out there and write. Serializing your work is just one way to create a new connection with your audience and potentially create new revenue streams. The key to keep in mind here is that you are creating small, easy to digest stories with great characters and publishing them on a consistent basis. So go ahead, offer a spoonful of your content to your audience at a time, and pretty soon they'll be hungry for the whole bowl. Leave your serial puns in the comments below, hit like, hit subscribe. We'll serial you next time.